Hello, everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I am so happy you joined me today. As promised, I said I was going to show you in my last video how to make your Bitmoji for your thumbnails with Outschool or even YouTube. But first, if you like what you see and if you want to see more videos like this, then be sure to hit that subscribe button, hit the bell, like this video, and I'll be sure to put out more content like this one. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. So, the first thing that you want to do before you actually create all your many different Bitmojis is you are going to download the app on your phone. The icon that you are looking for, so I'm just going to pull it up really fast, is this one right here. So let me do my spotlight here so you can see this one right here is the icon that you were looking for. You want to download that icon or that Bitmoji app onto your phone first because you are going to create your avatar on your phone. So I'm going to stop right here, do a screen recording so you can see the process of creating your avatar on your phone. So in 5, 4, 3, 2. Okay, so you're going to go to your app store. You are going to type in Bitmoji. It will open it up. You should be looking for that icon that I told you about already, and you will download. Mine is already downloaded, so I just click open. But make sure that you type in your credentials to where you are going to remember it, because you will need those credentials to put it on your computer when you put it onto your Chrome extension. Okay, so you're just going to go into it. You're going to click where it says avatar at the bottom, and you have all sorts of options. You can change your hair, add glasses, you can change your clothes, you can do all sorts of things to give your avatar the look that you want it to have. Once you are done, make sure that you click save. Once you click save, you have all these amazing, great Bitmojis. And again, just make sure you save your credentials so you have it for the computer. Okay, so now that you have seen the process of downloading the app onto your phone and creating your avatar, the very next thing that you want to do is you want to open up your Google Chrome web browser. So just make sure you download, if you don't already have it, the Google Chrome web browser. And you are going to then go to, you're going to do a search for Bitmoji. And you are going to look for where it says Bitmoji Google Chrome. You're going to click on that, and it should take you to this page. Now here it says remove from Chrome, and it only says that on mine because I already have it on my Chrome. But if you don't already, it will say add to Chrome or add Chrome extension, something like that. So that's what you're going to click. You're going to click that. Once you click that, you will notice that, let me pull it up here, right here in my Chrome extension, it has the icon right here. Now, whatever your login information that you created when you downloaded the app onto your phone, you are going to use that same login information to log into the Google Chrome extension for the Bitmoji. Okay, so make sure you remember those credentials so you won't have a hard time trying to get into your account. Okay, so once you do that, you will then, let me just click on my mouse, you will then click on the extension, and look, you have your avatars, your avatar or your Bitmojis all right here on your computer. It is amazing. I just love it. Okay, so the next thing that you want to do, so I decided that I'm going to show you here on Canva. And just so if you did not know and you're like, how do I create a thumbnail for my YouTube videos? What dimensions do I use? All I do is I go to create a design. I click that, and then this will show. I just click presentation mode, 1920 by 1080 pixel, and I just use that size, and it works perfectly for my YouTube videos. Okay, so I have already, this is for this video actually, how to make your Bitmoji for Outschool. And this is the Bitmoji that I have used. And so I always like to have my beginning screen for my YouTube videos and then my end screen. And I like to have them matching. So all I did was I added a new page, which is going to show a blank one of this one. And I'm going to go ahead and create this one for you right now so you can see what the process is like to add your Bitmoji. So here, the first thing that I'm probably going to do is I'm going to click copy because I want this same icon right here onto this page. So now it pasted it right there. And then I want to have something that is going to refer them to sign up to my referral links, as well as to subscribe and all of those great things. So the next thing that I am going to do is I'm actually going to copy this text box, and I'm going to click paste. I'm going to put it over here, and I'm just going to change the writing to don't forget to. So I'm going to go to elements. I'm going to go to what was recently used, and I'm going to click the subscribe button that I have here. To don't forget to, actually I like to say don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'm going to make it a little bit smaller, like right here. Make this one a little bit smaller and hit that bell. So let's see, like, subscribe. Next thing I'm going to do is I want to use my Bitmoji. Now, I usually do this one where it says sign me up. But just so I can show you what it looks like, I'm going to look for a different sign me up or sign up. And I think I like, let's do this one. And you're going to right click that Bitmoji, whichever Bitmoji you select, you're going to right click it and you're going to click save image as. Okay, so you save it where in the folder, wherever you want to save it in, and I'm just going to put sign me up. Sign up to. Okay, so now that is there. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to click on uploads, and I'm going to click on upload an image or video, and I'm going to select the image that I just saved. So which is this one. And it's going to upload it. And the next thing I'm going to do is once it uploads, I am going to move it where I want it to be at. Referral links below. So something like that. And you can play around with this as much as you like to get it the right way. guys, it's just that simple. I mean, wasn't this very simple? I just love the simplicity of Bitmoji. And let's say the Bitmoji had a background like this one, and I think I showed you in the last video, like when it has a background, everything that you can do to get rid of it. And all you do is you're just going to go to, this one doesn't have a background, it's transparent. But if it did have a background, I would go to effects and I would just hit background remover to just, get rid of the background. And that is it. It is just that simple. So I hope that this video was easy to follow along. And I hope that you are more inspired to use Bitmojis. They really, I think, bring your classroom to life. I also use my Bitmojis in my Google Slides, like during lessons, like it really just makes everything pop. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like what you see, do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you can get notifications on when my latest video comes out. And I hope to see everyone again soon. Goodbye.